Alright, well, welcome back to the channel. Here we go, we got another one. We just had a pretty big rainstorm yesterday, so I can see that this sump pump here is not working for some reason. But look at all that water, goodness. Alright, let's see if we can kind of get over here a little bit. What we pretty much need to try to figure out is, why isn't it working? You see that just overflowed and it's just accumulated throughout over here. So it's plugged in. If you have a situation like this happen, sometimes could have just tripped the GFI, but let me find a way to that section where the electrician hooked up the GFI to see if it's tripped or something. But if you own a sump pump in your crawl space and you know there's a lot of rain coming, just make sure I don't hear it. Nope. I think the GFI is not working. Alright, so we try to plug that in a few times and reset it. Sorry about the camera. I just trying to avoid all these puddles. Let's get our hands in here. See if I can manually turn on maybe the look at that, this isn't even tightened. Nope. That's not turning on either. So it looks like it's a Zoller pump. These are good pumps. Either that's fried or the electricals not getting any power to it. But man, this made a huge mess down here. Look at all this. Yeesh. It's pretty nasty. Alrighty, well, I think they're gonna need a new sump pump. We can investigate this a little bit more and see if there's any problems once this dries up a little bit. But there is absolutely more rain coming in the forecast. Look at that plumbing. Oh, that's disgusting. Well, you can see that the sump pump does get a lot of water in it. So French drain is working. Whew, who knows how long this has been going on for. Alright guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, check out my other videos. I'm going to kind of hang around down here a little bit, see if there's anything else happening. Alright, I'll catch you on the next one.